In today's video, I'm sharing 3 beginner-friendly AI-powered food business ideas you can start from home in 2026. These businesses require relatively low startup costs, can be started part-time, and can eventually grow into full-time income streams. I'll also walk you through a step-by-step guide for each idea, the AI tools you can use, and practical tips to help you stand out from the competition. So grab a notebook because one of these ideas could become your next successful home business. Let's get started. Business idea number 1. AI-powered homemade snacks business. Imagine selling homemade granola, healthy snacks, cookies, protein bites, dried fruits, or flavored nuts from your home kitchen. The healthy eating market continues to grow, and consumers are constantly looking for unique snack options. The exciting part? AI can help you identify profitable snack trends before your competitors. How AI helps. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI to research trending snacks, generate flavor combinations, analyze target audiences, create product descriptions, generate marketing content. You can ask, suggest 20 healthy snack ideas that busy professionals would buy, or create unique cookie flavors inspired by African and British cuisines. Within seconds, you'll have dozens of product ideas. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. Research specific snack categories such as keto snacks, high-protein snacks, vegan treats, gluten-free products, children's lunchbox snacks. Use AI to identify customer pain points and preferences. Step 2. Develop your products. Create small test batches. Ask AI for recipe variations and improvements. Example, how can I make homemade granola more crunchy and shelf-stable? AI can provide useful suggestions for experimentation. Step 3. Build your brand. Use AI tools to create brand names, design logos, write brand stories, develop packaging concepts. A memorable brand can make a huge difference. Step 4. Start selling. Sell through Facebook Marketplace, local community groups, farmers markets, Instagram, TikTok, your own website. Step 5. Scale up. Once demand increases, introduce subscription snack boxes, offer corporate snack packages, create seasonal products. Business idea number 2. AI-powered meal prep business. People are busier than ever. Many professionals, students, parents, and elderly individuals want healthy meals without spending hours cooking. That's where a meal prep business comes in. You prepare meals in advance and deliver them weekly. How AI helps. AI can help you create meal plans, calculate nutritional information, develop shopping lists, estimate costs, create customer surveys. For example, ask, create a 7-day high-protein meal plan for busy professionals, or generate a low-carb meal prep menu for weight-conscious customers. Step 1. Choose your target market. Examples include busy professionals, gym enthusiasts, new parents, seniors, students. The more specific your audience, the easier it becomes to market. Step 2. Create your menu. Use AI to generate meal ideas. Focus on affordable ingredients, consistent quality, easy preparation. Create 3 to 5 meal options initially. Step 3. Price your meals. Ask AI to help estimate ingredient costs, packaging expenses, delivery costs, profit margins. This helps ensure your business remains profitable. Step 4. Market your service. Use AI to create social media posts, email newsletters, promotional offers, customer testimonials templates. Consistency is key. Step 5. Build recurring revenue. Offer weekly meal subscriptions, monthly memberships, family packages. Recurring customers can create predictable income. Business idea number 3. AI-powered specialty baking business. If you enjoy baking, this business can be incredibly rewarding. Specialty baked goods often command premium prices. Examples include celebration cakes, cupcakes, brownies, dessert boxes, artisan bread, cultural baked treats. How AI helps. AI can assist with recipe innovation, product naming, packaging ideas, customer research, marketing campaigns. You can ask, generate unique cupcake flavors for weddings, or Suggest luxury dessert box ideas for corporate gifts. Step 1. Choose a specialty. Avoid trying to sell everything. Instead, focus on one category. Wedding cakes, dessert boxes, luxury brownies, vegan baking, cultural desserts. Specialization helps you become known for something specific. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Create sample products. Take high-quality photos. Use AI image editing tools to enhance lighting and presentation. People buy with their eyes first. Step 3. Create a strong online presence. Use AI to generate Instagram captions, TikTok content ideas, Facebook posts, blog articles. The more content you create, the more visible your business becomes. Step 4. Collect reviews. Offer discounted products initially in exchange for honest feedback. Social proof helps build trust. Step 5. Expand your revenue streams. Beyond selling baked goods, consider baking classes, recipe ebooks, digital baking guides, YouTube tutorials, affiliate marketing. This allows you to earn income from multiple sources. Best free AI tools for food entrepreneurs. Here are some useful AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT, recipe ideas, business planning, marketing content, customer research. Claude AI, detailed business plans, market analysis, product development. Canva AI, packaging design, social media graphics, promotional materials. Gemini, research assistance, idea generation, competitor analysis. Perplexity AI, trend research, industry insights. Consumer behavior research, how to stand out from competitors. Most food businesses fail because they blend in. To stand out, focus on a niche. Don't try to serve everyone. Create a memorable brand. People remember stories more than products. Post consistently on social media. Show behind-the-scenes content, food preparation, packaging process, customer testimonials. Offer exceptional customer service. Happy customers become repeat customers. Use AI regularly. Businesses using AI often save time and make better decisions. Final thoughts. The food industry is changing rapidly, and artificial intelligence is creating opportunities that didn't exist a few years ago. Whether you choose a homemade snacks business, a meal prep service, or a specialty baking business, AI can help you work smarter, reduce startup mistakes, and grow faster. The best part is that you don't need a huge budget to get started. Start small. Learn as you go. Use the free AI tools available today. And remember, every successful food entrepreneur started with a single product and a single customer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on AI business ideas, passive income opportunities, work-from-home businesses, and smart ways to make money online. Also, comment below. Which of these AI-powered food business ideas would you start first?